Carrot cake in OptiGrill. Welcome to latest episode of Gadget Cook. Today we are out of our comfort zone because we are baking. Usually I don't bake, but after I got this OptiGrill baking box, I decided to give a few tries. I managed to find this good carrot cake recipe and turn it in OptiGrill version. This is really easy and tasty. You can do it in normal oven also. I will put detailed recipe also in description box. We start by whisking sugar and eggs into foam like this. Then we combine all dry ingredients in separate bowl. Wet flour 3.5 deciliters, cinnamon like 2 teaspoons, and soda 1 teaspoon, and baking powder 1 teaspoon. Then we add 1.5 deciliters of oil into the foam part of the dough, and that was the hard part of this recipe. So now we just combine all the elements together and form nice dough. Give it few stirs and it's good to go into the OptiGrill. Rub some butter in the baking box and then pour some breadcrumbs in there. You can shake the box in the air and the crumbs will spread evenly. This will prevent the cake to stick into the box, so it will help the later part of this recipe. After that, pour the dough into the box, like so. Then close the lid and put it in yellow mode for 45 to 50 minutes. In normal oven you will put it oven for 170 Celsius for 50 minutes. To ensure that the cake is ready, do the stick test. Stick a stick in the cake. If cake is stuck in the stick, it's not ready. This time it was. Flip the cake using the cutting board like this, and there we have it. The cake is ready. Now we need to make the toppings. Melt some butter. Abracadabra. There we have it. It's molten. And then we just mix 3 deciliters of powdered sugar and cream cheese 2 packets, and then we pour the molten butter in there, and then we just whip this around so that we get nice texture like so. And after that, take a iron spatula or metallic spatula and pour it in hot water, and then you can spread this topping on the cake and it will be spectacular. And now we take some almonds and smack those in smaller pieces. I like the pieces to be unequal size, so in that way I think the cake is more beautiful. That's why I like to smack toast myself, so I can choose what kind of pieces I will have. And there we have it, rather beautiful cake. As you can see, this is a really easy recipe and you can make a big batch at a time. So now just enjoy result of your work. This is tasty and sweet. And here is also a summary of all the ingredients you will need to do this. If you want to see more OptiGrill videos, I recommend to check out the OptiGrill channel in YouTube, link in upper corner. Also check out my other videos. Thank you very much, see you soon.